Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics, grade 4. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 14, that is geometry. And our today's lesson is lesson number 1, draw points, lines and rays. Page number 874. Please open page 874. Guided practice. Identify each figure. Question number 1. QR. It is QR with 2 endpoint. It is a line segment. Why? Because it has 2 endpoint. A line which has 2 endpoint is called a line segment. So question number 1, QR is a line segment. You will write in the given place. In the given underline, you will have to write here line segment. Next is number 2, FB. This is a line with arrow sign at both the end. Both the end there is an arrow sign. This is called a line. A line with 2 endpoint is called a line. Next number is 3. There is a line, 1 endpoint and other point is there is a ray. So a line with 1 endpoint and arrow sign in other side, this is called a ray. Number 4. It is also same as number 2. DF is a line with arrow on both the end. This is called line. Or we can say that what is line? A line is a figure that extends in opposite directions without ending. There is no end point. This is called line. Number 3 is a ray. Number 4 is a line. Number 5, you can see there is 1 endpoint and arrow in other side. This is called a ray. Now see what is a ray. A ray is a part of a line that has 1 endpoint and extend in one direction without ending. This is called a ray. Number 6 is a line segment. Because it has 2 endpoint, we can define line segment. A line segment is a part of line between 2 endpoints. It has 2 endpoints, so it is a line segment. Number 7, it is a line because a line is a straight set of points that extends in opposite directions without ending. It has no ending. You can extend it from both the sides, so we can say it is a line. Number 8 is a line segment because a line segment is a part of a line between 2 endpoints. It has 2 endpoints. Number 8, N and O. One endpoint is N and other endpoint is O. And number 7, there is arrow on both the side. There is no endpoint. L and M. The name is L and M. Number 7, that is a line. and number 8 is a line segment. Now my dear students, in page number 875 there are some questions. 875, draw each figure. Now question number 9, point T. Point is a dot. You will make a dot here and write its name T. Number 10 is YZ. YZ is a line because it has the arrow on both the directions. Number 11, CR. CR is an arrow. You will draw an arrow here, that same as in page number 874. Number 12, AW. AW is a line segment because it has no endpoint. It is a line segment with 2 endpoints. It is same as question number 8. And you will solve this page, and page number 877 you have the 2 figures and you will write the name as we have studied in page number 874 and 875. Thank you very much for watching the lesson. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.